how to hide contacts visibility in Telegram. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's teach you how you will be able to hide yourself from others if ever you don't want to be notified or you don't want other people simply chatting you whenever they can as long as they have your number. So to be able to do this, simply click on the hamburger icon over here on the top right or top left, and over here click on our settings. In this page, click on our privacy and security down below. And over here, you will now then be able to see all the privacy selection or privacy settings that you could do. So for example, for the phone number, you can modify it, or as you can see here. For the last seen and online, you could remove that. You could have it to only my contacts or only specific people. So this is where you could play around and change everything that you need to change so that people won't be able to contact you or you could hide from other people. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.